Hey friends, Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club, here with another The Big Hug blanket with these writable, personalizable, customizable tags. Today we're going to use the Cricut Joy to cut out some HTV in a variety of different colors and styles. I'm going to use metallics, I'm going to use glitter, and always with HTV, you want to make sure that the shiny side, or what would be considered the backing, is face down, and you mirror flip all of your images. This is easy to do inside Cricut Design Space. I have many videos on this on the YouTube channel, so definitely let me know if you have any questions. I will tag another video below. But I'm using my Cricut Joy, making sure those images are mirrored, and I'm using some washi tape to hold this down to my less than sticky mat. What's so great about these tags is that I can draw on them, write on them. I can use paint markers. I can use paint. I can use acrylics. I can use all kinds of different things. And I'm using my Spectrum Noir paint markers to do a little I love you with some hearts and different thicknesses and weights to do a lot of really fun things. But then also to be able to cut out HTV, or heat transfer vinyl is what HTV stands for, to be able to do cleaner iron-on images when you feel like your handwriting is a little bit less than ideal. Now, I promise you, your handwriting on these tags is going to mean so much. It's going to mean the most down the road to your family. It's going to mean the most to the person receiving this. It actually would even mean a lot to your own brain to see your handwriting on a blanket that you did for yourself. There's something about that shifts our brain chemistry just a little bit and makes us connect with it all the more, whether it's from somebody else or our own. But can be really fun to make really clean, crisp images, cutting it out with the Cricut. So I'm using my Joy today for that, and you're just going to see it go to town. I also did a video last week where you can check it out on the channel as well, where you can do printable heat transfer vinyl or heat transfer film onto these tags as well. So if you want to do a goal setting vision prayer blanket, you can do that with different pictures that resonate with you. You can do it as a milestone memory blanket if you want to do one for each year of school, 1st through 12th grade, because you're getting 12 tags with this when you shop at qvc.com. Or you can pick up additional tags on qvc.com, or I'll leave links for Amazon as well, where you can get multiple of these tags. There's 34 holes that are sewn in all the way around the entire knitted blanket, and you can put more than one tag into each of those holes. So if you want to use it as a guest blanket, if you want to use it as become a holiday tradition where you write your favorite holiday memory for each year and then tag each year for a blanket, and make it a special gift to give to a family member. It's a great Mother's Day present for grandma, for your own mom. Writing special notes, prayers, encouragement, Bible verses. Really, there is no limit to what you can do on these tags, and they're beautiful. They're like a canvas on one side, and then the reverse side is a beautiful velvety like microfiber that's super, super soft. So it's such a nice tactile thing to experience. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm weeding out all of the images that I cut. That means I'm removing all of the excess, the outside. And you can see this is why mirroring is so important, because the image that you're cutting, that you cut out, is going to be upside down on this transfer tape, so you can put the entire image down on the surface you want to iron onto. So once I have this weeded, I'm just going to position this the way that I want it on my tag. I'm going to trim a little bit off because it overhangs, and I just want to make sure I have it all on here. And I'm going to use my Cricut mini press to give firm pressure and hold it down, iron it on for about 30 seconds. Now, I did find the more intricate the design with these tags, the more difficulty it had kind of holding on to and removing away really cleanly. So I heated it all the way up. You can see it kind of pulls up a little bit. So set it aside, let it cool off, and it does make it a lot easier to remove away the backing. Just do a little bit of a burnishing with it on there, and then it pulls away so cleanly after that. So just a little bit of practice it took for me to get it down on these tags, but you can see there's a couple of them done just perfectly. And so many different ways that you can use these, from writing on, ironing on photos, and doing these different HTV phrases works great. I hope this was an encouragement and inspiring video for you. Come over and check us out inside She Makes Club, where we love to make a life together using creativity and crafting as a tool to process all the things that we go through. I hope you'll give this video a little thumbs up and share it if you feel called to do so. Enjoy the moments, friends. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.